everyone, this video will show you how to make a simple and powerful nail dryer fan at $0 cost. The nail dryer can make the polish dry faster. When I was doing my regular polish at home in the past, I let the polish dry naturally. That took forever to get the polish dried. This is how I was. I decided to buy a good quality nail dryer with a reasonable price on internet. But quickly I found out the most complaints about the product online was the fan of the nail dryer was not powerful to make the polish dry thoroughly. So we decided to make one on our own. Kim found a couple of old computer fans at Recycle. They are compact, quiet, and powerful. That should work. Construction begins. After shaping bracket, measure mounting holes for fan mounting and base mounting. Drill holes as required. Mount computer fan to bracket with the bolts and the nuts and locate on base to suitable location. Drill screw holes in the base as required. Paint assembly color of your choice. Optional, but give the assembly a finished look. We choose the white color. This is the finished product. Added soft feet to provide a better footing to the base. Now it's time to test this new nail dryer. The fan is much quieter than I expected. It blows straight air to my hands, very powerful and focused. It took about 8 to 10 minutes to get the most polish dried. Then I put on gloves and did some housework to see if the polish was dry enough. After finishing the cleaning, I check out the nail polish. They are in perfect shape. No smudges, no chips. I'm very happy for this little invention, especially at no cost. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.